Okay, so now we're on the section with partial decomposition. So step one, we do need to get rid of that denominator. Okay, we do nothing with the top. So what times what gives me 25? When I add, I get 10, and that is just going to be x plus 5 and x plus 5. Okay. X plus. Okay, so we do a over x plus 5 plus b over x plus 5. Okay. Remember, you need to multiply by x plus 5 and x plus 5 all the way across. Okay. This will be interesting. This cancels and these cancel, so we're left with negative x minus 6. One of the x plus 5s cancel, so we're left with a and x plus 5. And the same thing with b. Okay, so now you take your x plus 5, set it equal to 0. We get x equals negative 5. Please be careful right here. So this is negative 5 minus 6. Interesting. What's going to happen here, this all zeroes out. Okay, so we're going to throw away this question. And let's do the other one. Okay, so the same thing we did before. We got a factor. What times what gives me 10? When I subtract, I get negative 7. Or when I add, I get negative 7. That'll be x minus 5 and x minus 2. And we do a over x minus 5 and b over x minus 2. So remember, we're going to multiply x minus 2. Okay. So these and these cancel out, so we're left with 4x minus 2. The x minus 5 cancels out, so we're left with a and x minus 2. And x minus 5. Okay. So you take the x minus 2, set it equal to 0, and solve. So we get x equals 2. So you're going to do 4 times 2 minus 2 equals 2 minus 2 plus b, 2 minus 5. So 8 minus 2 is 6, cancels, equals negative 3b, divide by negative 3, and b equals negative 2. We're going to repeat with x minus 5, add 5, x equals 5. So 4 times 5 minus 2 equals a times 5 minus 2 plus b, 5 minus 5. So 20 minus 2 is 18, and 3a. Divide by 3, a equals 6. So 6 over, go up here, you see how x minus 5 is under it? Plus negative 2 and the x minus 2. It could have gone 6 over x minus 5 minus 2 over x minus 2. I am so sorry about that. Same things mean the same thing. Okay. Number 4, arc length. So the formula equals r theta. Grab me a calculator. Okay. So r equals 20, theta equals, so here we go. R is 20 times 10 pi over 3. Multiply, so we get 200 pi over 3, and we cannot reduce. So we're done there. And this is the one where r equals 20, theta equals 10 pi over 3. Next one, they're telling us s equals 44 pi over 5. And theta, that's a 5, equals 11 pi over 6. So 44 pi, we're finding r. 11 pi over 6 times r. So, we're going to divide this over. And that is definitely ugly. So 44 pi over 5 divided by 11 pi over 6. Keep, change, and flip. Okay. And this is, I'm going to reduce while I'm here. So first the pi's cancel. Notice here 44 and 11, I can take an 11 out. If I do, that goes to 4 and the 11 goes away. Right? So now we can multiply and we get 24 over 5. Okay. I hope this one has helped, and I'll see you in the next video.